Is Centr the fitness app for you? Let's review. App and subscription links are below. Created by Chris Hemsworth and health experts, Centr takes a holistic approach to fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness. Whether beginner or seasoned athlete, find personalized workout programs tailored to your goals. Build muscle, improve endurance, or simply stay active with bodyweight exercises, yoga, HIIT, strength training, and even boxing. Train at home or the gym, guided by professional trainers. Centr also offers diverse meal plans, including vegetarian, vegan, and special diet options. A meal planner, grocery list generator, and easy recipes simplify healthy eating. Beyond fitness and nutrition, Centr prioritizes mindfulness. Guided meditations, sleep visualizations, and stress management techniques support mental well-being. Centr's clean interface makes navigation easy. Track progress, set preferences, and sync with fitness wearables. The subscription cost might be high for some, especially if you only want workouts or meal plans. However, the quality content and expert guidance make it worthwhile for those seeking a complete lifestyle solution. Centr is ideal for anyone wanting a structured approach to health and fitness. Whether you want to lose weight, gain strength, or manage stress, Centr gives you the tools to succeed. Learn more and start your journey. Check the links below.